What's up guys, this is Zach. Welcome back to my channel. I have some very exciting news in this video. This video is probably going to take like a couple weeks to put together and make because it's going to be a very spread out process, but basically the Miata is going through a major transformation over the next couple weeks. So first of all, we just got an estimate for the car to get it totally repainted, get all the damage fixed on it. Today's Monday. I'm going to be dropping it off on Wednesday to get it repainted. Hopefully we'll have it back within the next week or two. Also, the surprise I mentioned in the last video, I got it and I will show you guys what it is, and I am super excited about it because it looks great. Alright guys, so here's the box it came in. Before I show you, I will give you a second to guess what's in the box, which is probably pretty obvious, but here's the box size compared to the car. And as you can see, it is from Carbon Miata. If you haven't guessed by now, I will show you. It is a fiberglass ducktail spoiler. I will take it out of the box, see if I can hold it up and show you guys what it looks like. It looks awesome on the car. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the way the spoiler looks on the car. Carbon Miata did a great job making it. The fitment is on point. It fits perfectly straight out of the box. So this video is going to pick back up probably tomorrow because I have a couple small things I need to get done to the car before I drop it off on Wednesday. So for me, I will see you guys tomorrow, but for you, I will see you right now. Alright guys, so it is Wednesday. We're about to go drop the car off right now. Last night, went ahead and put the stock wheels back on the car, and so we're about to go drop it off. I have some parts on the way right now, and then I have some other stuff I'm about to order, so when that comes in, I'll update you, and then we will see what the car looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so it's been about a month since that last clip I filmed, because what happened was it took about 3 weeks to get the car back, and then I lost some of the footage that I filmed for you guys. Basically all I really ended up losing was just unboxing some of the stuff I got in, mainly a Amazon special front lip and a short antenna from Miata. But I have the car back now. I'm out here at the lake to shoot some beauties to show you guys, and then I'll show you guys what the car looks like. As you guys saw, I got the car completely repainted. This thing looks amazing. It's slowly becoming the car that I want it to be, and I know it can be. If you look over here, we got the door fixed, and we got the fender painted so it's not spray painted anymore. The whole car got repainted, but this was the main area that was really messed up beforehand. As you can see on the front, I have the GB style lip, just the cheap one off of Amazon. If we come around to the back of the car, got the carbon Miata ducktail spoiler, got it riveted on, and then over here I have the raked shorty antenna from Moss Miata. Looks way better than the tall one. The stock ones make it look like an RC car, but I'm just gonna do one more walk around so you guys can see this thing turned out great. I absolutely love the way it looks now. It looks like a totally different car. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like the way my car turned out. I think it looks great. I'm going to try to be making some more videos now that I have the car back and it's fixed and it's starting to look really good. I'll probably try to make some videos of some car meets, see if I can do some videos on some of my friends' cars, and for sure whenever I get more parts for the car, I will make videos on those. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of my car and me working on it, and see some car meets and other fun stuff like that. If you have any questions about my car, or if there's anything you want to say, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.